There was a meeting which I didn't attend, saying I'm busy. But he was in the meeting. So. See, you don't try to straighten the wire by making in one attempt. You are curving it like this. So basically what you're doing is, if you're repeatedly doing this, it sort of reorganizes the molecules in there or whatever. Okay, so take two. Got the mark. So when you're doing that, you got to make sure the mark is visible. Don't cover the mark with your plier, it becomes wider. So another one. Then the round end of the plier. Hold it, then maintain the same plane, curve the other side. Again here. Sitting there, well, just got to make a mark from here, and from here. If you got a triple beak, you got triple beak in your toolkit?
No, not ever.
Do you have triple beak?
No.
You have it?
No.
The tool can only come with this two.
See? Step. Now all I got to do is, if you have a look at here, it should look like this, buckling. Yeah, like this. Then this. At any step you make a mistake, rather than trying to fix it, it's better to redo another one. That's easier. See that? So you got the good measurement here. Then so I make a mark here from where it starts to curve on both sides. So again, one thing you should always have it on the back of your mind is this one, the interproximal, it's not going straight, it's sort of curving distally. You see this line? It's at an angle. Not if you put it here and do it straight, it's going over the cusp, but it's distally at an angle like this. So when you're curving it, you have to make sure you're curving that way. It's around. Just hold it, then slightly curve it backwards. See that? Yeah, like this.